What if I told you one of the most recommended moisturizers by dermatologists costs less than most fancy skincare products and might actually work better? This is CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. At first glance, it looks like a boring white tub, but inside it contains 3 essential ceramides, hyaluronic acid, petrolatum, and CeraVe's MVE technology, which slowly releases hydration throughout the day. The goal? Repair your skin barrier, lock in moisture, and reduce dryness without feeling greasy. It's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, dermatologist-developed, and even accepted by the National Eczema Association. That's why millions of people use it on both their face and body. But here's the twist. Not everyone loves it. Some users report breakouts, irritation, or stinging around the eyes, proving that skincare is never one-size-fits-all. On the other hand, countless users say it helped restore their skin barrier and calm chronic dryness after trying expensive products that failed. So, is CeraVe Moisturizing Cream worth buying? If you have normal to dry skin and want a simple, science-backed moisturizer, it's one of the safest bets in drugstore skincare. And no, CeraVe is not a scam. It's a legitimate global skincare brand owned by L'Oreal, widely recommended by dermatologists, although individual results will always vary. The real question is, will it become your holy grail moisturizer or your next skincare disappointment?